Acer R240HY Abmidx 23.8. 23.8 Full HD, 1920x1080, widescreen VI monitor. Response time 4 milliseconds, pixel pitch 0.275 millimeters, refresh rate 60 Hz 2x 1.5 W speakers. Tiltable -5 degrees to 15 degrees. Dimensions HXWXD 12.88 x 21.26 x 1.48 inches without stand, 16.1 x 21.3 x 8.8 inches with stand. Signal inputs 1x HDMI, 1x DVI and 1x VGA. HDMI, DVI and VGA cable included. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.